Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to layer multiple videos behind text inside CapCut. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just go ahead and jump straight into this video. Okay, so what we want to do is open up CapCut and click on create new project. And now for this demonstration, I'm just going to use some stock footage for this video. So I'm going to click on media, I'm going to click on to library, and then I'm going to click on to scenery. And now I'm going to add 3 different clips into here. So just give me a few moments. I'm going to do this cloud one. I'm going to click this cloud. What else we got here? Maybe this river forest as well. Drag this down as well. And so I've got a green, blue. Might go for a brighter green, I reckon. Might add this in as well. So now we've got 3 different videos here on my timeline. So I want to make this at least 10 seconds in length, this short video. So what I'm going to do is click on this clip here, and now I'm going to go to speed. I'm just going to make this go to about 10 seconds. Alright, so here's my 3 videos. And now from here, I'm going to click on the first video, and then under video basic, I'm going to go mask. I'm going to choose rectangle. And now I'm just going to rotate this like so. And put it there. Let's make it a bit bigger. And I'm going to do the same for the next one. I'm going to click video, mask, rectangle again. And go like that. Like so. And I'm going to do the same for the last video. So click on the last one, video, mask, rectangle again. Like so. Put it there, just fill it out a bit more. Alright, so if I press play on this video, this is what we've got so far. I might move this across to the left a little bit more. So let me go back here, make this a tad bigger. Play again. Alright, that looks a lot better. Now to lay out these multiple videos behind text, what we need to do is export this. So I'm just going to split these videos, get rid of that. Down here, same thing, get rid of that. Now the video length is 16 seconds. I don't mind it, so I'm going to export this and export in 4K. I always recommend exporting in the highest resolution. So give that a few moments to download to my PC, and then I'm going to go ahead and create a new project. Oh, PC's glitching out here. I'm just going to reopen. Alright, new project. Now I'm going to import that video. Here it is here. So I'm going to drag this down to my timeline. So press play, that's that video. Now from here, I'm going to click onto text. I'm going to add default text to my timeline. I'm going to match the video. I'm going to change the font of this text. So I'm going to write nature and change the font to something nice and bold. Steady works pretty well for this. You could use Anton or Impact or anything similar. And now with the text, I'm just going to put this below this video here. Alright, I've got the text below the video. Now from here, I'm going to click onto the video basic blend, where it says mode. I'm going to choose multiply. And now if I go ahead and press play, looks pretty cool. So yeah, this is how to layer multiple videos behind text inside CapCut.